Today, guys, we practically create this storage account and we'll try to put something into our data storages. So let me select a resource group. I'll give a name to it, approach 82 storage account. Select local standard. And before you hit review create, you all need to go to this advanced. Where is that? Yes. Guys, you can see allow enabling anonymous access on individual containers. If you don't check this box, what will happen? You will not allow to add anything into it. So just remember that. Just add that checkbox. Then create a storage. So guys, please tell me why we are creating a storage account. Guys, what is the use of a storage account? Anyone, guys? Anyone? Yesterday I have explained it, nice. What is the use of a storage account? Kishore, Prasad, Solomon, do you know what is the use of a storage account?
You store the data in the containers.
No, not in a containers, anywhere.
Okay. Yeah.
To store the data in the cloud. Yeah, in the cloud, we will be using this storage account. So first, let us look at this container storage account.
Yeah, and without storage account, we cannot store any data into this containers or file shares, queues.
You need to have a storage account. Now, under storage account, you will be having this data storages. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't create a storage account, where can you see these things? Guys.
Under storage account only.
Yeah. Now let me create.
Yeah. Generally, like in AWS, I think so. Like if there is a S3 bucket, yeah, we can directly create on that, right? But
but here not like that. Here you have to create a storage account. Under it, you will be having these many options. Okay. Yeah. Now let me click the button container. Give a name to your container, guys. I'm giving a name like sample. And if you look at this anonymous access level, there will be 3 levels: private, blob, container. So guys, first I'll select container as my access level for my container, guys. Anonymous access level will be there, guys. You just first select container access level for your container. You can see I have created one container access level container called sample. Inside this sample, what will I do? I'll start uploading the document to it because, you know, in real time, guys, there will be a lot of documents will be created. You can see, guys, what I've just done. I have uploaded 2 documents to my container. Let me upload an image into it. For example, if you look at here, I have uploaded 1 image and 2 documents into it. So in this way, guys, I can upload documents given by different members of your team inside a container. But it will have, okay, guys, how will you access it? Yes, it's good. We have uploaded document to it. Then how will I access it? You simply click on any document which you have uploaded to it, and you can see there is a URL for it. Copy that URL. If any team member of yours, if he wants to access any document, you simply provide the URL of that document. You can see the document has been shown to him. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So it's a very simple. If it is container access level, then it is very simple, guys. You simply, if it is container or blob, you can directly click the document or anything, and you just use the URL to access. But guys, let us do one thing. Let me change the access level of this to private. What is the meaning of private? No anonymous access. Click OK. Now, guys, try to access this now. Use URL. What are we getting, guys? An error. The specified resource does not exist. You can't see it. Why I'm not able to see that? Though I have a URL.
It's a private access.
Yeah, it is private access. So then how will I access that? Very simple, guys. If you look at here, there is a button called generate SAS, shared access signature. Here, guys, okay. Why a document need to be put inside a private node? The reason, guys, there could be some of the documents which should only be available to certain people of your team. All persons should not access, all people should not access that document. And guys, you can put restrictions like read, add, create, like permissions also to it. Now, guys, what you can do, you can give a start date and expiry date for the document. Not only that, you can copy allowed IP addresses. Can anyone tell me what is an IP address?
So users are public IP addresses.
Yeah, every system connected to the internet will have a public and private IP. And yes, in our companies also, you will be having these public IPs. Yes, here, what IPs I'll type here? If it is a very important document, I'll only type IPs of my CEO, CAO, CFO like that. And if I type all those IPs here, then if I click the button, generate SAS token and URL, now what will happen, guys? A new URL will be given to you, and you need to share this URL with any person, guys. And can you please tell me who can access the document? Now I'm able to access it. But if I put any IP there, then this document will only open in that system. Are you getting my point? Guys, did you get my point?
Yeah.
What is, it's very simple, guys. You are putting restrictions on the document. You will put expire date, start date, IPs, permissions, and you will generate a new SOS token and URL. When you have given this URL to the anyone, guys, you can share with your entire team. But if that particular person's IP is present only in that system, it will be available. It will be open. So that is your private access level. Then, guys, you will be having anonymous read access level for blobs only. Here, containers and blobs, guys. Blob is nothing but very simple, guys. Blob is nothing but a small data chunk. What is the meaning of that?
Log.
Small data chunks means, guys, if you take one document, is it a big data or small data? What do you think? One document, one small audio file. These are all known as a small data chunk. But if you take 3-hour meeting recording, for example, is it a small data or big data?
Big data.
It's a big data. And if you take any, yesterday I have explained, guys, can I use a container to deploy my project code into it?
Yes.
Definitely. Yesterday I have explained it. You can use a container to store project, to deploy the project code as well. Can anyone, do you remember from yesterday's class? Okay, what type of applications I should deploy to a container? B2B internal application. Did I explain that yesterday? Guys, what is B2B application?
Internal application, business to business.
Not internal, business to business application. Internal means within the
company.
same, with the same organization. So, guys, here, the reason why we deploy these applications to a storage account, the main reason, guys, when you create a storage account, nothing will be charged. It is completely free. But Azure will charge if you access any data inside a storage account, then some amount will be charged. Are you getting my point? If to create, to upload, free. But if you try to access, there is a charge for it. Did you get this point? I can upload 100 documents inside a storage account. Then, guys, no charge will be applied for my storage account. But if you try to access them, then a certain amount will be charged for that particular access. Are you getting my point? Guys, did you get my point or not?
So there are different type of charges, no? As per data means there is a log files we access it very frequently. So there is a different
that
type
is
of
the
storage.
type. That will be decided by the types, guys. I'll come to that in 2 minutes. Here, guys, why we need to use only storage account for the internal or B2B application? Guys, use these things when the users are very less. If you deploy an e-commerce site in a storage account, what will happen, guys? E-commerce is B2C application. There millions of users may exist. If for each user, if there is a cost, the total project cost will be like anything. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
If it is an internal application, how many users may access it? Very less, 100, 200, maximum 1,000. Correct or not, guys? If it is B2B, then also maximum 100, 200, 1,000 or 10,000. But if it is B2C, it could reach millions. So, guys, each user, when they're trying to access that application, there is a certain charge applied on that company's account. So, guys, never ever deploy any B2C applications on a container. Okay, so why it is good to use storage account to deploy the internal application? Any idea? I can use app service now, guys. Why I am using storage account? can I use app service to deploy my front-end component, guys? Did you get my point, Prasad? Are you there? Solomon? Hello?
Yes, yeah, we are there.
Yeah, why we are using app services? I can use app service now, guys, to deploy the front-end component.
Yes, yeah, you can use that.
Then why I'll always go with my storage account if it is B2B or internal? The reason, guys, very simple. If you take a small app service, it may cost you $30 per month or $40 per month, depending upon the app service plan which we have taken for an app service. That is the reason, guys. If it is B2C, always select app service. If there is a necessity, you can scale up that app service. How it will be done, I'll explain it later, guys. Don't worry. But remember, B2C, always use app service. B2B or internal application, always use containers. This storage account. Now, guys, there is one more thing called access tier. Can you see this? Access tier. What is the meaning of access tier? Very simple, guys. There will be 4 different types of access tiers. The first thing is hot. What is the meaning of hot, guys? Very simple. If it is very frequently asked document, then you need to put that inside hot tier. Guys, hot tier documents are costly when you compare with them with cool, cold, or archivers.
Just a cache, right?
What?
Hot means just a cache documentation, like in the RAM. The
Yes.
cache means
Cache means, guys, there will not be any latency if it is termed as hot. What is the meaning of latency?
Yeah, it's the slowness of
There,
network.
yeah, it will be very quicker document. Anyone can access that very quickly because it's a hot tier document.
Why take go?
What? Yes, sir,
Chicken
you can... Your voice is not clear, bro. Okay. What is archive? When we need to store anything into archive?
We don't want to use it regularly.
Yes,
We don't
archive.
want to use it regularly.
Yeah, if you are not using
frequently.
frequently.
Yeah, it is. You will not be using that frequently. The document is important, but you are not at all using it frequently. Then if you put into archive, what will happen? The cost will be very less because no one is accessing it. If anyone want to access, what you have to do? You have to change it to hot or cool. If you look at here, guys, setting the access tier to archive will make your blob inaccessible until it is rehydrated back to hot or cool, which may take, okay, several hours. That is another thing. So, guys, why we are putting any document into archive? If you are not using that frequently, but we need it, you can't delete it. Later, in future, you may use it. Then change it to archive. Then there will be very less cost for it. Then, yeah, if you want to access it, you change the access types of that particular document. Now, guys, okay, private, container, can anyone tell me what is blob? There are 3 access types now, guys. What is a blob? Anonymous read access for blobs only. Here, containers and blobs. What is the difference between a container and a blob, guys? Any idea? Container means, guys, it can store a project in it. It can store a complete video recording. It can store anything, no restriction. If it is blob, guys, blobs are small data chunks. You can't store a big video recording inside a blob storage. So, guys, what you need to do when you want to put anything inside a container, you first decide where you are going to put it. Is it in blob, container, or private? So the access level is very important, guys. Did you get my point, guys? Anything? Have you understood something from here? Why we are using these containers? Clear? But guys, here there is a problem. For any container, how you are uploading the documents, guys? You are manually clicking this document and you are uploading it, correct or not? In one project, guys, if there are 100 documents or 1,000 documents, then how will you upload? Will it take time to upload all of them?
Yeah, actually, what happened? The background there is not.
Yes, your voice is not at all coming, bro.
Hello, Venkat. Hello.
Prasad? Prasad? Prasad, you there? Guys, anyone able to hear Prasad?
No, sir.
No, yeah, your voice is not at all coming, Prasad. Guys, my voice is clear, na? Is my voice clear?
Venkat, your voice is not clear.
Not clear to whom?
To Prasad.
Okay, Prasad, maybe some network issue at your end.
Okay,
Solomon can hear me quite good. So there may be some issue at your end, Prasad. Okay. Can I continue, Prasad and everyone? Guys, let me take 5 more minutes and then I'll stop for today because no students are here now. So let us close this at 9:30. Okay? Shall we? We will continue from Monday. Okay, guys, because okay, so let us stop for now then. We will continue from Monday because there is network issues and I'll just share it now, Kishore, don't worry. So today, guys, you only do one thing as an assignment, what you're going to do. Topic storage account containers. Create a storage account. Yeah, okay, that is all meet on Monday.
Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!